help with your ad account. So you might have team members that need access to your ad account. You might be hiring somebody as your ads manager who will need access to your ad account. So what you're going to do is you're in your business settings here. So you go users and then you're going to go people. So you either need to add them by an ID, name, email. I find email is the easiest way because sometimes when you don't have you're friends with them or you're trying to find their name, it's not very easy to do. So I always think the best thing is just add by email. So if we click add, I'm just going to pop this in here. Ooh. So here we have two options. So here we go. Here's employee access. This is when they're only assigned certain roles or you want restrictions on the account. And then more than likely it's going to be admin access, but we can still toggle the different options. So we're going to click admin. We're going to click next. Okay, so here we go. You're going to click on the access. So you want to give them access to your page generally. So this is the actual Facebook page itself. So this is publish on the page, moderate comments. So this is so like say you want them to create ads or you don't want them to be able to create ads, because you may or may not have known, like if you created ads already without the account before Business Manager, they will have already got access to create the ads. They'll be able to view the page performance and then the admin access. So this is another way that you're giving them access to the page. So you can toggle on everything there. And then you can do that. And then you can come over here to the ad account. You can say, okay, I want them to have access to ad account. And then to manage the campaigns, and they want to be able to manage the ad account. So depending on if it's somebody on your team, this is, you want to, if somebody is doing your Facebook ads for you, you want them to be able to manage the ad account. And then also here, catalogs, that's more of an e-commerce type of products that the people be offering, and the catalogs would be there, but I don't have them, so it's not going to be here. And then apps, I also don't have apps. So you want to be concerned with the pages. So here again, the view earnings report, do you want that on? Depending on the level. So generally, if it's somebody who is going to be coming in and running your ads, you want to make sure that everything is toggled on, the ads count. Make sure again, everything's toggled on and click invite. So there we go. The invitation has been sent. So it said I could have given them access to 2 accounts or tools. So that's the apps and the catalog, which I don't have. So there was nothing to give permission to. So there we go. That's it done. So that's everything that you need to know on setting up your business manager account. But where actually all the magic happens with Facebook, and probably why you went with your inside business manager now instead of just doing the boosted post, is the Facebook pixel. So next video in the series, we're going to talk about what's the Facebook pixel, how you can use it, and how you actually make more money with it. So we're going to have a look at that now.